Very often people ask us, what is PSYCH-K? They've seen videos or they've read some stuff online, but they're not completely sure what this is and how to go about it. So PSYCH-K, very simple, is a way to rewrite those programs that we have at the subconscious level of mind, which many people call beliefs. However, this goes way beyond that, because in our subconscious mind we have associated so many limiting things, so many self-defeating things throughout life, especially in those first few years of life, and we don't even remember or know that they're there, and they're limiting our current life. So to do PSYCH-K, all you really need to do is define what are those areas of your life where you would like to be more joyful, or be more in peace, or have the ability to use your energy better. And then that's where PSYCH-K comes in. We're going to show you in only 3 days of a basic workshop how you can empower yourself when you transform all that at the subconscious level of mind in processes that usually take from 10 to 15 minutes. This doesn't mean that in 10 to 15 minutes you're going to solve your whole life. You're going to start transforming those subconscious beliefs into self-enhancing programs that are going to help you be happier and live a better life. So that's what PSYCH-K can do with you, for you. PSYCH-K doesn't do it. Actually, you're going to do it. You're the powerful one. And if this resonates, then follow your inner wisdom, and we will see you at a basic workshop sometime, somewhere. Thank you.